Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix EAFC24 error. This EA account is restricted from accessing any online features on the PC, which is happening for many of the users right now. So this is my EA account, and I don't have game over here in the EA, but I do have game on Steam, and it is actually downloading right now. So you may be wonder why I'm able to download, because in the Steam, if you are having the subscription, you will be getting, you can play the game for 10 hours. So I'm having this particular one, so I'm actually downloading. So very recently I uploaded many videos on the YouTube channel. You can cross check it from where I already have the game, but right now I'm from home, so that is why I'm sharing, and the game is not yet finished. So without wasting time, directly get into the step. The first one, when you're having this particular trouble, what we need to do is we just need to do a restart on your PC. So just go over here in the restart icon. Do not skip this step. This is very important. Click on the start icon, go over here in the power icon, do a restart. Once restart is done, try launch the game, and that will be working fine. That is what we have to do. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to launch the game from EA app. So just go over here in the EA app, launch the game. You should be having the game. So I have not yet pre-ordered the game right now. So the users who are having the game, just launch the game from EA app. Once afterwards, what we need to do is we just need to instead of Steam, launch the game from EA app. Now close the game, close the Steam. So you need to close this one as well. Now go back to the Steam. You need to close the Steam as well. And once you're done with this one, what you need to do is you just need to log in with your EA account. You have to go back to the EA account and you have to launch the game. So once you launch the game, you have to close this. Do the same for the Steam as well, like I said. Now once the game is launched, you have to log in back, and afterwards you need to log in back to the account. You have to log in back to the account, and once afterwards try launch the game, and that will be working fine. Next one is all about if you're on the EA, what you need to do is we just need to launch the EA app in the offline mode. So just go over here at the top, click on this one. There is an option called go offline. So just go for yes, I'm sure you can go offline. So right now you are offline. And what you need to do is we just need to first go, then you have to launch the game. You'll be having the game over here, and you'll be having an option called FCEA24. So just launch it. Afterwards, just go back. Now you'll be getting an option to go online, go for online. So it's going to take a bit of time. You have to go online, and once afterwards launch the game, and you can continue playing the game without any issue. So you might be asked to give the credentials once again maybe, or else you might be getting back to the EA very easily. So right now you can see I have logged into the EA very easily. So right now launch the game, and you can continue playing the game. Next one is all about we need to verify the game file. So you should be having the game in order to verify it. So if you are having the game, you can verify. You will be getting an option to verify over here. Click on the particular one, and you'll be having an option called manage, and you can verify the game file. If you're on the if you're on the Steam, what you need to do is we just need to open the Steam. So the game is not yet finished. I'll be showing an example with another, but there is no point showing an example of verify integrity of files on the Steam, because the issue is happening for everyone across the globe, those who are trying to play the game with the EA. So there is no need of it. Last and the least one is all about you have to play 10 hours from the Steam. That is what you have to do. So you just need to go to the Steam, like I said, which is actually I'm downloading. So if you go to the store page, you can see this. You are having the options to purchase the game, which is Ultimate Edition for 4,679 rupees, and even for the pre-purchase standard for 3,149. But the users who are having the EA subscription, which is I'm having right now, I can play the game for 10 hours. So just launch, you can click on the play over here. Now we just need to close this, and once again exit it and start it again from the Steam once again. So what you need to do is just click on the play, exit the Steam, and launch it once again, so that you can continue the playing game on the Steam itself. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you are having an issue, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.